I can see myself. This shit is shiny as hell. One more time. Alright. Okay. Kelvin, I'm gonna have to buy a new camera. You keep fucking shooting it. What is this?
Check my kit.
ManiZilla. Here, ManiZilla here. We are working on Robbie's RSX. He went and purchased Yonica catback exhaust system. So the job itself isn't too difficult. It's just because we live in Canada. We get this good old thing called rust. I'm sure you guys get it too, but you know, for us, we gotta use a torch here. Heat this up, take it out, baby.
I think you're good, bro.
Just like that. There's 3 bolts here. That's the first pipe after the cat. One of the bolts is just in there still because it's ridiculous. It's absolutely ridiculous. Then we just remove the resonator as well. Zipper off, brother. You fucking crackhead. And then last but not least, the muffler. The muffler. It's not difficult. I mean, if you do this by yourself, maybe it might be a little bit, but you can still do it. I believe in you. Then we're just gonna start prepping these surfaces. You know, this is my best attempt to clean this up, but it's kind of messed up. That's fucked. That shit is still bad, but it's okay. It looks better than before. Now we're gonna open up everything. Open up everything. Open up everything. Open up everything. So we're gonna go put this together. We start off with the gasket. We're gonna need this gasket because this flange is just full. So we slap that gasket on first. We're using bolts and nuts with like enlarged washers so that it makes up for all the bullshit. So, you know, we go and tighten that on. Then we're gonna go and install the resonator pipe. Resonator pipe also has a gasket. You're witnessing 2 of the greatest technicians in the game right now. You know, we're laying down pipe together while being hard at work. That's exactly how I meant to say that. Look, we got a 3rd guy in there too. He wants to lay the pipe down with us. Also wants to be hard at work. Always have open arms for anyone with that type of mindset. You know, anyone can do anything, so just keep staying hard. Always stay hard at work. Always lay the pipe down with your boys. That's the way to go. Zilla Squad, baby. Swag. We're done.
Okay, how do we do?
Pretty good time.
Alright. Let's go.
Look how shiny that tip is. That's one shiny ass tip. Let's see how this shit sounds, yo. Job done right there. You guys have just witnessed Manny and Robbie, 2 of the greatest techs in the game, install a catback exhaust system on an RSX. It wasn't step by step. If you saw from the video, I hope you guys are paying attention. You better be. But it was just held in by bolts and nuts. You get those off, and then everything else is hung on by rubber grommets called hangers. You spray a little bit of penching fluid in there, you can knock that out easy. With pliers, or you want to manhandle it, go ahead. The sound quality, major difference was the new exhaust has a bit more bass. I'll leave a link in the description to this exhaust system if you want to buy it. I'm pretty sure there is a different one for the Type S. I mean, it's better to do this job with a buddy or somebody else. You know, you can lay pipe together and you can stay hard at work together. And you know, teamwork makes the dream work. Anyone can do anything. Zilla Squad, you know, I love you all. Take care.